Hi everyone, I just wanted to share a little bit about Apar Health with you. Apar Health is trying to bring healthcare skilling to India. In the COVID times, I realized that there were so many students who wanted to help in the drug development part, in actually helping with vaccine development. But when they came to help us, they really could not because the skill was lacking, although they all had degrees. So my aim through Apar Health is to bring skilling, to actually teach you job skills that are required, whether it is from simple writing of an email to how to conduct meetings, how to actually do the technical parts of your role, so there is an expanded understanding of skilling. So that is the aim of Apar Health. We are currently starting with clinical research skilling, and in future we want to get into skilling for nurses, skilling for pharmacists, skilling for microbiologists, looking at how India can actually prevent antimicrobial resistance from coming up. So newer areas but specific skills. So join us with Apar.